We've got showers out there, and they are persistent into our southern counties, showers and thunder showers. So even though that main round of strong to severe storms that blew through last night continues to work its way on out of here, and it's been gone for hours now. You can see it exiting eastern Kentucky. We've had this secondary wave of development, northern Garrett County down south, southern Casey County, some lightning and quite a bit in the way of some moderate to heavy rain with these showers and thunder showers, so watch out. We've still got active weather to deal with. We've got flood advisories up, parts of Adair County and as well running our southern border down through southern Whitley County, and also down south of Monticello. So be aware, we've got some issues out there. Now, this is the end result of the storms that blew through yesterday. We had a few severe thunderstorm warnings, some rotation within a couple of them, but we've got one report within the viewing area of storm damage, and that was down in Campbellsville, some siding blown off a barn. We still have our flash flood watch in effect. It is for eastern counties, does not include the bluegrass anymore. We got knocked out of it yesterday, so that's at least a slight improvement. But there's still that potential, as I've already shown you, for heavy rain out there with some of these storms that are primarily impacting southeastern counties, southern counties this morning. Low pressures running across the Great Lakes, kind of following this stalled frontal boundary, and a cold front's following it up. So that front will go through this morning. And on the back end of that low behind the front, we'll have additional scattered development later on this afternoon. The good news, the severe threat for us, the good news, shifts east. Not good news for Raleigh down through the upstate of the Carolinas there of South Carolina. But the bad news is the storms start to fire back up with another wave of low pressure back to the west tomorrow. And notice how this threat dives southeast. This is mirroring the path of a complex of storms that'll dive southeast as well. Could impact us by Friday night. So much of your day tomorrow will be quiet. Friday night, though, that complex of storms will dive south and wash out. And then into Saturday, this is due to a warm front lifting north, scattered showers and storms, a marginal risk for severe storm Saturday. So here's how it all plays out with the future track. The morning round of convection down south, that'll lift northeast into the afternoon. Scattered stuff coming in behind that departing front. We finally dry out overnight, so we're out of the woods as far as the storm threat goes for literally one day. And then by tomorrow night, watch out west. This is around dinner time. You'll see that what's left of it, the remnants of that round of storms diving southwest or southeast, I should say, could hold together enough to impact counties around I-65, maybe graze our southwestern counties. I think it'll be more of an issue for western Kentucky. Mid-60s in Lexington. We've got a southwesterly wind at 7 miles per hour. We are in the mid-60s. We'll be in the upper 70s to low 80s. And I'm going to keep that scattered shower and storm chance in today. That heavy rain threat primarily across southeastern counties where we've still got that flash flood watch in effect. And then tonight, low 60s, partly cloudy. An isolated shower, thunder shower out there early on. Summer solstice, literally one day off, partly sunny. Enjoy it while you can. The storm chance that will impact most of us is Saturday, and it's scattered stuff firing along a warm front. So unfortunately, that's looking like a better chance Saturday. And then Sunday, we'll back off the storm chance. We may actually have less coverage Sunday, but it'll be even warmer as that warm front lifts north. We'll spike mid to upper 80s over the weekend. Big warm up. And then another cold front and a ramped up storm chance Sunday night into Monday. And then hopefully high pressure takes over. We may get a couple of days off middle of next week.